Good morning everyone and welcome to another video on Mr. Ong Math Lesson. Today we are going to do the second question of the NCEA 2020 Level 2 Algebra paper. Please watch video 1 on Algebra, which was done earlier, and the question 3 will be done in the near future. So let's go. So the first question is, this question 2 is mostly on logarithm. So we shall look at two properties. The first property in logarithm is adding and subtracting a log. So for example, log A plus log B is actually log A bracket A times B. So these two numbers is going to multiply. If it is a minus, you just log A minus log B is log A divided by B. So if you know this property, you are able to do this. So the question is, write as a single logarithm. So the answer will be log of a number. Okay, so now in the simplest form, log 9y plus log 4 minus log 3y. So again, when you plus, you multiply. So log 9y times 4, so 9y times 4. And when you minus, you divide by 3y. So expand it. 9 times 4 is 36y divided by 3y. Simple, cancelling out. Y and y cancel out. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And the answer is log of a number. And that will give you an achieve. Not too bad, right? Great. Now we shall look at the second question. The second question requires this rule, the log form and the index form. So you are given y equals to log ax, okay? This is called the log form. If you want to convert to the index form or the power form or the exponent form, what you do, the last number x becomes your first number, and a to the power of y. Y is the first number, now becomes the last number. So the last number becomes your first number, and your first number becomes your last number, and this is called the index, power, or exponent form. So they are interchangeable, so we shall look at it. So log x 36 equal to 2. So the first thing we do, I'm going to swap places. So 2 equal to log x 36. Now the last number is 36, so 36 equal to x to the power of squared. So x squared equals 36. X is the square root of 36 is 6. Supposed to be plus minus, but log question, there's no, to the base, there cannot be a negative. So that will be another simple achieve. Okay, let's proceed. Question 3, or question C, B part 2. Okay, now we are going to combine both rules to solve this equation. Solve the following equation. Log 5x plus log 5 2x equal to 4. Again, you plus, you're going to add the power. So log 5, x times 2x give you 2x squared, and 4 remains. So the next thing we do, we're going to change this log form into the index form. So we swap places. So 4 equal to log 5 2x squared. Now remember the last number, 2x squared, is going to be the first number now, and 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 is 625, so 2x squared is 625. To solve algebraically, you divide by 2 first, so x squared equal to 312.5, and then x is the square root of 312.5, and the answer is plus minus 617.68. Again, x cannot be negative for log, so if you can solve this, the answer is going to be x equal to positive 17.68, and that is an excellent. Okay, great. We will proceed now. The next question is algebraic fraction. So we shall look at it now. Okay, so you have this fraction, 5x plus 4 over x plus 4 minus 3x minus 4 over 2x plus 1 equal to 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of these two fractions by multiplying this whole equation by x plus 4 times 2x plus 1. So if you take 1 by 1, you multiply the first fraction with that, the x plus 4 will cancel out. You are left with 5x plus 4 times 2x plus 1. At the same time, if you multiply the second fraction with that number, the 2x plus 1 will cancel out, so you're left with x plus 4. So you get 3x minus 4 times x plus 4. And for 2, you're going to multiply by this whole number, and you get an expression. Once you have done that, the rest is quite easy. You're going to expand. So we're going to expand the first part here, and then we're going to expand the second part, and we expand the third part. So the first part is going to be 10x squared plus 8x plus 5x plus 4. And then the second part is going to be 3x squared plus 12x, minus 12x, sorry. Minus 12x, yep, plus 12x, minus 4x, minus 16, and the last part is going to be 2 remain, so it will be 2x squared plus x plus 8x plus 4. Okay, my sequence may be a bit jumbled up, but it should be all fine. Okay, simplify them. So 10x squared, like term, 8x plus 5x is 13x plus 4. The second expression, these are like terms, so 3x squared plus 8x minus 16. And this part is going to be 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. Now we're going to open up the bracket, and then this part remains the same. So minus 3x squared minus 8x plus 16 equal to 4x squared. Expand up. 2 times 2x squared is 4x squared. 2 times 9x, 18x. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we're going to simplify like term. So 10x squared minus 3x squared is 7x squared. 13x minus 8x is going to be 5x. 4 plus 16 is 20. On this side remains the same. Okay? So now bring all this stuff on the left side by minusing them. So 7x squared minus 4x squared is 3x squared. 5x minus 18x is minus 13x. 20 minus 8 is plus 12 equal to 0. Now we're going to factorize 3x and x, the factors of 3x squared, and 12 minus 4 minus 3 with trial and error. So x times minus 4 is minus 4x. 3x times minus 3 is minus 3x. When you add them up, it'll give you minus 13x. That's what we want in the middle. So that will be the answer. So put a bracket. So the answer is going to be 3x minus 4, x minus 3 equals 0. So solving, x is 4 over 3, x equal to 3, and that is a merit. Okay? Have a go at it. And there are more than one way of doing it. So if you can solve it, you should be fine. Okay? Okay, great. Now we shall do the last question, which is another excellent question. So read the question. Consider the parabola. Parabola A has this equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, that's the equation 1. And parabola 2 has dx squared plus ex plus c. So when the 2 parabolas meet, that equation must be equal to that equation. So we say ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to dx squared plus ex plus c. Once you have done that, we are going to solve it. So we're going to minus everything here on that side. So ax squared plus bx plus c minus dx squared minus ex minus c. So what happened? The c will cancel out. So when c cancel out, you are only left with a. We simplify them, like term, ax squared minus dx squared plus, for the x, it will be b minus ex equal to 0 because the c had been cancelled out. Okay? So once you have done that, solving, factorize it. X is the common factor. So what you left with a plus dx plus b minus e. So now we're going to solve x equal to 0 or a minus dx equals to minus b minus e. Okay, so you bring it over. Okay, now we're going to solve. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so now x equals to minus b minus e divided by a over d, or simplify them, it's going to be e minus b over a minus d. So technically now we have two solutions. One of them, when x equals 0, for each of these equations, your y has to be c. That's one solution. And the other solution, when x is equals to e minus b, a minus d. And again, that question will give you an excellent in this paper. So this paper is slightly different from the previous years. Yeah, you need to master the 3 rules in logarithm. If you do not know a logarithm, please learn it. There's the video on logarithm in my videos. Look for logarithm method. Okay. So again, go and watch video 1 and video 3, which will be out in the future. So in the meantime, have a good day and see you soon. Cheers, everyone.